Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Feedhive. You see, Feedhive creates content at scale, social media using AI and automation. So you can create, schedule, publish and easily manage your social media content at scale with Feedhive's AI powered platform. So Feedhive is a social media management tool praised for its user-friendly interface and AI-powered features aimed at streamlining content creation and scheduling. It's particularly well regarded by small to medium-sized businesses, content creators, and social media managers. Its key features include robust scheduling capabilities with automation based on categories and optimal posting times, AI assistance for content suggestions and hashtag generation, and features like content recycling. Users appreciate a clean and intuitive design which makes managing multiple social media accounts easier. It is much more than just a simple scheduler. Feedhive also offers analytics to track performance and collaboration tools for teams. It's it's generally well received, yes, but some reviews mention that the analytics, which while helpful, might not be as in-depth as some more established competitors. Other reviews also mentioned some limitations with specific platform features like Instagram tagging and lack of integration with platforms like X, formerly Twitter. So you can see here, no Twitter. Alright, and also Blue Sky. You can see there's no Blue Sky too. Though the platform is continually evolving, so maybe it will be included soon. But overall, Feedhive is seen as a valuable and often more affordable alternative to other social media management tools, offering strong automation and AI features in an easy-to-use package. So you can give it a try. Go to feedhive.com and you can sign up.